Hey guys, welcome again. So we had already seen about domain and hosting. In this video, I'm going to tell you the top 5 best hosting and domain providers in India. So the first place goes to Hostinger, that is hostinger.in. It is recommended for personal, small business or affiliate websites of any kind, including WordPress. So 99.99% server uptime, and then average speed is 150 ms. In India, 180 ms. So its price starts from 59 rupees per month. Okay, so in Hostinger the pros are high value for the money. Then it means that for low cost we can get the best packages and unmetered bandwidth, WordPress support, excellent speed in India, customer support, and we can purchase using UPI or debit cards or Paytm or net banking. So coming to second position, Bluehost, bluehost.com. It is mostly recommended for WordPress. 9 or server uptime will be 99.98%. Average server speed will be 210 ms, and in India 220 ms. So price starts from $2.75 per month. So in this, pros are 50 GB SSD storage and pricing is still reasonable, good performance in India, heavy focus on WordPress. So we can observe that it is completely recommended for WordPress. Okay. Then coming to third position, Site Underground. So Site Underground is recommended for bigger web shops and medium sized websites. So server uptime will be 99.99%. Average server speed is 125 ms, but in India it will be the best server speed is 60 ms, and then the price starts from a little bit higher, $3.95 per month. So in this, quality hardware, optimization, unmetered bandwidth, incredible customer support, free perks, the sheer value of money. Coming to fourth position, it will be A2 Hosting, a2hosting.com. So server uptime will be 99.93%. Average server speed will be 180 ms. In India, it will be 205 ms. Price will be $3.92 per month. So in this, unlimited SSD will be given, customer support will be good, and then free migration, money back guarantee. Coming to fifth position, HostGator. So it will be hostgator.com. Server uptime will be good, 19.97%, and average server speed will be 180 ms, but in India 212 ms. So its price starts from $2.75 per month. In this, cost for beginners and well understandable control panel will be given. You can also check with GoDaddy. You can find some of the best prices by there itself. So check out each and every provider so that you can choose a best provider and purchase all the things, guys. So the links will be given at attachments. Please check out, so it will be helpful to you. So that's all. Thank you.